Well, Katie, good morning and welcome to Town Neck Beach. It's dark, it's stormy, the water is behind me. You can't see it at this hour, but obviously what you can see from both my hat and from the shrubs is the strong winds, and that really is the story here. We're getting strong, not just wind gusts, but strong sustained winds in addition to the rain. That really is the story. We're just over an hour past high tide here. We're not really seeing any major impacts from flooding or anything like that, as you sometimes would during a nor'easter. As I said, the story really is about the wind, the strong wind, bringing down tree limbs in some places, knocking out power. Power outages down the Cape right now are about 1,350 customers. That's according to Eversource. The majority of those outages are in Brewster. The cause of the outage in Brewster, according to Eversource, is tree limbs down on power lines. That's something that we would expect to see in storms like this. And again, with these strong wind gusts and strong sustained winds, this is something that we expect to continue to see throughout the day and possibly into tomorrow. So we'll keep you posted from here at Town Neck Beach in Sandwich throughout the morning here on the Eye Opener. For now, though, Katie, back to you.